Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to log into someone's computer called remote access and how to defend yourself from remote access. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to quickly get some app ready so you guys can copy this in. I'm just gonna get it ready quickly, but anyway, I'm just gonna type it in right now. So type in MST and it should come up right here. If you want the whole thing, type in MSTSC. That stands for Microsoft Terminal Services, and you want to click on Remote Desktop Connection. Then I'm going to, so you're going to have another computer right here. So I have another computer as well. I have another computer that's right now being connected and stuff. It's like right now working. I'm just going to connect to that other computer right now. So I'm going to type in the IP address of the computer. This IP, you can't hack into it because this computer will be like gone by the end of this video, so don't try hack because it's not gonna be good. And I'm just gonna click on this and you're gonna click on always ask for credentials. That's like basically the username, and all we're gonna type in as the user, for me at least, like you guys will have a username as well. I'm gonna type in Aryan Cloud because that is my user right now. So I'm gonna press on connect, and it's gonna ask me the password. I'm not gonna show the okay, good, it doesn't show the password. I'm not gonna show the password right now because why would I? But yeah, I'm just gonna type in the password. Okay, now we're gonna press on OK. Then okay, now as you can see, the password I typed in were wrong, so I'm going to type in it one more time. I think I spelt something wrong or something, maybe. Let's just check. And let's check. Yep, okay, maybe it should, yep, there we go. I did type in something wrong. Now it's gonna it like automatically put us to the PC. And if you want to know if you're on your PC or not, just hit this restore down, and so there's that PC and this is your own PC. So yeah, I don't know what this is. Okay, bye bye. But anyway, okay, and anyway, I'm just gonna full screen that because I want to see you guys. I want you guys to see everything. But yeah, so anyway, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be logging onto this on a different account. Well, first I want to teach you guys how to defend yourself from this. So this is how people can log on into your other devices if they know your IP address, like your computer's IP address and the name. But before we start that, I'm just going to show you guys how to know if this is your computer or not. So I'm going to hit this and I'm going to write and I'm going to type in who am I. It says the name right there, Aryan-Cloud, but that's just, it will be gone by the end of this video, so don't try hack. And I'm going to write host name to see who is the host of this computer, Aryan Cloud. So yeah, that is all I wanted to show you guys. But anyway, if you want to protect yourself from this, you can right click on this PC, go to properties. Yep, properties, remote settings. Then you can choose an option. Don't allow remote connections to this computer, or allow remote connections to this computer. Remote assistance, allow remote assistance. Allow a remote assistance connections to this computer. That's basically the same thing right here. It's just a different app right here. I'm just gonna leave it how it is because this will be gone anyway, so I don't really care. But yeah, as you can see, like it is like you can change it if you want. I am gonna quickly show you guys something because I'm gonna be logging on with another account, so I'm gonna show you guys how people can hack into your accounts. So I'm gonna go into manage, then local users and groups, users. Then we're gonna right click, new user, and then we're gonna name this, I don't know, Oliver. I don't know. I don't even know what name, but yeah, full name XYZ. I don't even know. Create. Oh wait, no. Before we do that, we're gonna type. Wait. Okay, good. We're gonna type in the password. So I'm just gonna write that. Okay. Okay. Create. Once that happens, you should see it updated to Oliver XYZ. Once you do that, you want to close out of this. Once you do that, right click again, properties, remote settings, and then you want to go select users here. So this will select the users that can access your Aryan cloud computer. So I'm going to add them, and I'm going to write, what was his name? Oliver. So Oliver is going to be the one. Okay. And he will be there, right there. The computer will recognize it. You're going to hit OK, then OK again. And now, one last thing you want to do to disconnect from here, right click on Windows, shut down or sign out, go to the arrow, it says disconnect, press on that, and you're disconnected. So, same thing goes for here, but that's your normal computer, so I don't want to do that. Don't do that, please. Otherwise, if you're trying to shut it down, go ahead. I don't really care because I'm not the boss. But if you want, that's how one way you can do it. I'm not going to show you every single way like those YouTubers do. I'm not that person. Just one way is fine, and use it. It's the fastest way I know. But yeah, I'm just gonna type in that thing again. And then I'm going to show you guys one more thing to end off the video. So it was MSTSC. Oh my bad. I wasn't even typing. MSTSC. And you want to hit remote desktop connection. Then you want to have the same IP address. Just go down. Show options. Then you want to click here and just write Oliver. And I'm going to show you guys one thing, because this will be interesting. We're going to press on save as, because we have to save it. And I'm just going to write Oliver. There we go. I'm going to save it into the desktop. And you'll see it right here. But now when we connect it, connect. I'm going to type in the password. Hopefully, yeah. As you can see, it says an error. So, what we're going to do right here, we're going to go back to my account. Oh, that's not how you do it. By the way, guys, I meant that error. Don't worry, I'm not stupid. So, I'm going to go, I'm going to type in my password. Alright, now I want to go back and I'm going to show you guys something really cool. Watch this. This PC, properties, go to, oh yeah, remote settings, go to select users, Oliver, and you want to add someone, and when you add them, I'm going to remove Oliver for a sec because it won't work. So we're going to add Oliver. And we're going to check names. And you're going to make sure this is like that. If that isn't there, you cannot log in. Alright? You can never log in. So you want to press on OK. And okay again. So this is how people can log into your computer, guys. So if you're trying to log in to, so say this is a computer at one of your offices, you can connect to it by, you have to do this at the office first, before, at your office first before you can do this at your own home. If you're trying to work from home or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, that's basically what it does. But, now I'm gonna go disconnect now. And I'm going to try that again. So MST, remote desktop connection, show options, and we're going to write Oliver. Oh, that's not how you spell Oliver, is it? Olive, oh my god. Oliver. Thank you. Now we're going to save as, and we're going to write T. I don't know, it, yeah, it. Nah, I'm just joking. We're going to, oh my god. Okay, we're gonna write Olive. Wait, Olive. Yes, Olive. Yum. And then once we done that, we can see Olive right there. Olive. And then we can connect now. Do you know? Okay, so this basically this message is no error. It's never an error. Just letting you guys know that, cause it's really just all it really is a it just says that say you accidentally log into someone's computer, they can maybe hack you or something, or it might be unsafe. So just letting you know, that's just telling you that. So I'm just gonna write that. Don't ask me again. Connect, and we're gonna put in the password. Sorry for that mic cut out real quick. If you heard that, I'm not sure. But we're just gonna write Olive. Oh wait, that's not the password. I'm just joking. No, I'm just joking. I'm not gonna put in the actual password I said. Whoops, I didn't mean to say that. But the account will be gone anyway, so I don't really care. I'll just say the password. No, I'm just joking. I won't. But yeah, I'll put it in. As you can see, it's not Oliver, because there's more characters, as you can see. I'm not gonna push remember me, my bad there. But we're gonna right here, as you can see, it didn't work again. One more thing I want to show you guys. So we're gonna go into our thing. Oh my god. Type hello. Okay. Where was I? MST, yeah. Go here. And then once we're in here, we are gonna go and okay, so we're gonna go into it right here. So we're already connected. I'm gonna type in my password. What? Okay, I typed in my password wrong again. Yay, okay. Let me, okay. So sometimes you may type in your password wrong. That is okay. Just remember, make sure, okay, I can't type today. I don't know what is going on, but I can't type. Let me just do something real quick. And then I'll see you guys when I am logged in. Finally, guys, I have logged in. I don't know what happened, but I just couldn't type my password there. So we're gonna go and we're gonna go we're gonna go and check our Windows firewall. And what you're gonna write is so we're gonna go and write so we're gonna go into our, so all you wanna do is you wanna go and click on advanced settings. Once you're there, inbound rules, and you want to click on one of these and write R sorry R D sorry no R oh my god. So what you want to write is, in here is you want to go here and write R and then maximize this, obviously. R, there we go. And it says remote assistant and remote blah blah blah. You should make sure that all of these say yes. Okay, guys, make sure all of these say yes. All right, make sure all of them say yes right here. You want to go outbound rules again, and make sure all of these say yes up till here. Yes, 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 yes. There we go. Perfect. So make sure your thing is like that. So now, once we log in again, I'm just going to make a new account. I don't know why I like making new accounts, but I'm just going to make a new account because I think some of you guys might have forgotten. Oh wait, that's not how you make a new account. My bad. So we're just gonna make a well, actually no, I have an account ready. I think. Wait, no, I don't. My bad. So we're going to hit on manage. Then we're going to hit on users. Then I'm going to click James, for example. James, I'm going to set your password to something else. Wait, can you guys see? No, you can't. Good. So I'm going to hit your password as what will be a good one? Okay. Okay. So James right here has been done. So now we're going to disconnect right here. And we're going to go back. MST. There we go. We're going to go hit. We're going to have this. We're going to go James. I think it was lowercase. I'm not even sure. But we'll check after if it's wrong. We're going to save as. We're going to write James right here. James. We're going to go into desktop, save this, then we're going to make sure that's correct, connect, then we're going to write the password for him. Okay, and as you can see, that was not the correct James because we put a capital. So I'm going to lowercase that. I think it was lowercase, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it was lowercase. Let's just check one last time before we hit any errors again. Yes, we want to replace it. Connect. Hopefully this works. And let's go. Okay guys, so I don't know what happened, but it was a glitch where it said there was error and now we're all of a sudden in. I don't know what happened, but we're in now. I think it was glitching out. But anyway, it will take a couple of minutes to like log you in and stuff. It may take like 4 or 5 minutes. This video is already 17. Oh wait, no, done. Okay, there we go. Never mind. But anyway, this video is 17 minutes long. You know the idea. We talked about it. So you're in your computer now. But anyway, this video is so long. Oh wait, yeah, my bad. Right there. This video is almost 20 minutes long. So I'm just gonna end the video right there because that is all we had to get. All we had to go and get covered in today's video. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Make sure to share, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.